So you have pimping and pandering, which are felonies and very serious automatic state prison time. You also have a misdemeanor by the name of aiding a prostitute, which you don't see too often. But basically, it's what it sounds like. You know, aiding and abetting, anytime you're kind of helping somebody do their criminal activity, you can be associated with the liability for it. So in aiding a prostitute, if you know somebody is a working gal and you are aiding in them doing what they do, you technically can be associated with that activity. Let's say there is a prostitute who walks a certain area, a certain street corner, and you have a friendship with her, and you keep an eye out for her. You know, maybe she doesn't have a pimp, because there's obviously a lot of violence associating with pimping. And you just kind of keep an eye out for her, you know, you warn her if there's any cops coming or if there's any other pimps out there. You don't take any of her money. You don't really try to get her business, but you just keep an eye out for her. That's aiding her. And you technically could be in trouble for aiding a prostitute. It's not very common, and it can be difficult to prove, right? Because in that situation, you have to think, how would a jury look at it? You know, if the person didn't have a record, they could get up there and say, listen, it's not my fault this goes on right outside where I live. It'd be nice if the city cleaned it up, but it's going on. And I know her. She has a lot of good values. So yeah, I keep an eye out on her. What do you want me to do? Wait until something bad happens? And a jury would have to balance that. So it's not necessarily an easy conviction, but technically it is illegal to aid a prostitute in any type of way of that activity.